Now I am starting explanation of part 2 logical questions. Question number 1. Question number 1 is the Adam sat in 3 spelling tests and got 80% of the total words correct. Here are his results. Test 1, he secured 24 out of 30. 27, second test, 27 out of 30. And test 3, we don't know how much mark he got out of 30. So, what is the mark he obtained in the third test? So, how to find it? Total mark is 80% marks he got. So, what is the total mark here? 30, 30, 30. That is 90 words he attempted. Out of that, so what is the 80% of 90? 80 upon 100 into 90, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9 8 is 72. He should get 72 marks out of 90. But now he got 24 marks in the test 1, 27 marks in test 2. Total 51. Now he has to secure 72 minus 51, 21 marks in the third test. So that it will be 80%. So third test marks will be 21 and 21 is the answer. Okay. Now second question. Second question is, here are 4 circles. Specific numbers are here and in the middle also we are having some mark. So let us see what is the sequence, and we have to find the question mark. That what is the question mark? Here we have to find the missing number. So how to find it? Let us take this 3 into 2 into 4 into 5. That becomes 120 and we got 120 in the middle. The same way 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 is 48 and we got 48 in the middle. Now the same way 1 into 3 into 5 into 3 is equal to 45. So here it will become 45 and 45 is the answer. Third, here are some blocks. Some numbers are here and somewhere there is no number. This is blank. And we have to find the question mark number. So we need not find this because when we are going to find it, it will automatically be filled. So here 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now 4 plus 8 is 12. 8 plus 12 is 20. Now 12 plus 20 is 32. So 32 is the answer. Okay. Fourth question is, this is some sequence and we have to find the sequence and then find the dash, that is the missing number. Okay. So here the sequence we are finding 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1. Okay. So what will be? It is 2. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1. Okay, then 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Here it is 0, 0 and this is 6. Okay. Now the same way 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. 27 minus 3 is 24. Okay. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 64 minus 4 is 60. 60. Okay. Then 5 into 5 into 5 is 125 minus 5 is 120. 120. 6 into 6 into 6, 6 is 36, 36 6 are how much? 36 6 are 216 minus 6 is 210. Now 7 into 7 into 7 is 343 and then minus 7 is 336. So this number will be 336. Next question, question number 5. This is also, there are some sequence numbers. We have to find the sequence and the missing number. 6. How will you find 6 here? 6 into 2, 12 minus 4 is 8. 6, we have taken 6. 6 into 2, 12 minus 8. Now 8, take 8 into 2 minus 4 is 12. Then 12 into 2 minus 4 is 24 minus 4 is 20. Then this 20 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 36, which is here. Then 36 into 2, 72 minus 4 is 68. So our missing number is 20, this one. Now question number 6. This is an equation syntax given. Here it is blank and here it is blank. We are having 4 mathematical operations: plus, minus, multiplication and division. Here 2 operations we have to take. Alternatives are plus and multiplication, plus division, minus multiplication, minus division. So what 2 signs we have to take? Which operation sign should we use so that it will become true? Let us see which one. If you say this is plus and this is my multiplication, so what will happen? 32 plus 17. It cannot be 9. This one, if you take plus and division, then 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 plus 17 is 25. This is wrong. Then this one, if it is minus and multiplication, this is 32, and then 17 minus 32, it is not possible. Now take the last one, D, that is, this is minus and this is division. 16 divided by 2 is 8 and 17 minus 8 is 9. So this D is the correct option. This is the correct option. Okay. Now come to question number 7. Here we are having some numbers along with the rhombus. Now here this is the missing. What number will come in the question mark? So let us see. Multiply 2 5s are 10 minus 6. This 2 you multiply and this one you subtract. That is 4. Okay. Again, it is not the answer. This we have to use again. This is 5 and 4. 5 and 6 is 30 and minus 4. That means first 2 we have to multiply and then subtract this one. Okay. We got 4. Again we will multiply these 2 and subtract the same. So it will become 26. Here 4 into 6 is 24. Minus 5 is 19. Now 6 5s are 30. Minus 19 is 11. Okay. In the same way, 2 into 8 is equal to 16 minus 4 is 12. Now 8 4s are 32. Minus 12 is 20. So this number will be 20 is the answer. Now question number 8. One diagram is given. There are so many number of triangles here and we have to find out and count the number of triangles. So let us count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here 7, 8. Okay. 9, 10. Okay. then 11, 12, and then the big triangle. So number of triangles is 13. Now question number 9. Here in this way we are having some numbers. Again we have to find the missing number. So how to find out? 5 and 15. 5 multiplied by 15 plus 6 into 3. That means these two will multiply and these two will multiply and add. This is having 93. Again the same way, this 7 into 5, 35, 9 6 54. Together it will be 89. So this number will be 89. Now the same way, 18 into 1 is 18, 4 into 8 is 32, 32, 18 is 50. Question number 10. Here is the question, but I am not going to solve it. This you have to solve it and find out the answer. This answer you will get in the next video. And previous part 1, 10th question, which answer I have not given, that now I am showing the question also and answer also. There are 5 circles. This is full circle, full circle, full circle, full circle, full circle, and this is, there are 2 only, divided by 8 parts, but 2 parts we have taken. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4 full, 2 upon 8. Sorry, there is one mistake. In question number 8, there are not 13 triangles, that is 16 triangles. How? Let me explain again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then comes the 7, 8. Okay. Then 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12. And the big triangle, 13. But here we are having another triangle here. This one. This will be 13 plus 1, 14. The same way, this is one triangle, 15, and this is 16. So number of triangles is 16, not 13. Sorry for the mistake. Now we will solve the 10th question and wait for the answer. If you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.